Today we're going to go on a jungle walk. This story by Nancy Tafuri doesn't have words. It's just a picture book. And the beautiful thing about a picture book is that you can make up the story yourself. So as we go through our jungle walk, let's think of a story we could tell. Who's taking the walk in the story? What kind of animals and plants are in the jungle? What adventure will be had? See here, there's a young boy in his home, snuggled up in bed, with a good book and his cat. He's reading Jungles of the World. When we look at the illustrations, we see he's reaching over to turn out the light and snuggle into bed. And his cat is looking out the window and sees something bounding by. Wait a minute. Is that what it had looked like before? What does the cat see? Does it look like the boy is going into a dream about jungles? What happened to his cat? Does that look like the cat he had? That is a big cat. Do you know what kind of cat it is? I bet the stripes give you a clue. Where did the big cat go? What kind of animals is the boy seeing in the jungle? What kind of noises do you think these animals make? What does it sound like in this jungle? What does it feel like? Is it cold, warm, wet, dry? Do you see the big cat? What other kind of animals